I'm now here at Twist. This is the breakfast area of Hollywood in Highland Hotel, Hollywood Renaissance Hotel. This is the view outside Highland Avenue. And this is the view inside Twist Cafe. It opens like 7 in the morning. They also have a breakfast area in front in the lobby. This is in the mezzanine. So there's some breads, fruits, some cereals here. Yeah, yogurt. Omelets, some fruits, sausages, bacon, eggs. Okay. I'm here with my familia. We're going to Disneyland later for a visit. Okay. So, breakfast food.
Dito na yung job sa akin, ayaw. Mas gusto pa yung ano-ano lang, kung ano-ano lang. Mga ganyan, sa bahay, ganyan.
And me, the much more cute English restaurant.